This is an international English language testing system powered by IDP to analyze the level of the student. So, this is Taranjit Kaur. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110801. What's your name?
My name is Khushvinder Kaur. Khushvinder Kaur. Khushvinder, Khush.
How can I address you?
Sorry?
How can I address you?
You can call me with my first name, Khushvinder.
Okay. Does your name have any specific meaning?
Yes, as my name is Khushvinder and first five letters represent Khush. It is a Hindi word, but its meaning in English is happiness.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, because it is very important for me because it describes my personality, and it also very important for me because my parents have given this name with full of love.
Do people of India change their names?
Yes, in most of the times when it's in case of marital situation, when girls married to other families, then they prefer to change their surnames.
Why do people change their name?
Sometimes they are not comfortable with their previous name and they want to change their name for get more suitable names for their personality.
Have you ever changed your name?
No, in my life I don't change my name ever.
If given a chance, would you ever like to change your name?
No, because I like my name and it's my parents' love, so I do not want to change my name in future.
Okay, let's talk about pen and pencil. Do you usually use a pen or pencil?
Yes, while in the writing task, I prefer to use pencil or pen.
Do you prefer pen or pencil for writing?
Both are the very important aspects for writing, but I mostly prefer to use pencil because it is erasable and I can correct mistakes by erasing the written one.
When was the last time you bought a pen or a pencil?
Sorry?
When was the last time you bought a pen or a pencil?
It was the last Sunday when I went to a market and the stationery shop. I buy a pen for my cousin because he is preparing for exam and it was very need a pen for her exams.
How often do you buy pencils?
Usually I buy pen or pencil when there is my exam. Otherwise I use old pens.
Do you like to write with a pen or pencil when you were a child?
When I was a child, then our school preferred the students to write with pencils, but having no pen, then I was very courageous to write with pen.
How would you feel if someone gave you a pen or a pencil as a gift?
I love writing and I like writing with different styles in different pen or different colors. Then I will then I feel very good then when anyone gifted me a pen.
Would you pay a lot for a pencil?
No, I am not such kind of person. I do not pay a lot. I buy only those pen or pencil which are reasonable price.
Moving to the second part of your speaking, this is your cue card that describes a photograph that you have hanging in your home. You have 1 minute to prepare. You should start now.
Photographs represents the memory. We generally took photographs in different occasions. Today I would like to describe about a photograph which is hanged on my home, and it is hanged in my bedroom. This photograph is of my wedding day, and that day photographers had took so many photographs, but out of them I like that photograph very much because it is very natural pose of me and my husband. We are talking with each other, and photographer have took our photo, and it is very natural photograph. It was taken in the temple where our wedding ceremonies had happened. Our family member has organized a photographer, and he make our wedding day videos and took lots of photographs. And from the album which he provide to us by paying some money, I got this photograph from him, and I decided to frame that photograph and to hang in my bedroom. It is very lovely photo, and whenever I watch this picture I feel really very happy because at that time I remember the memories related to my wedding, and I feel very happy because in the photographs I wear a dress gifted by my parents, and this dress is looking very pretty on me, and I feel very happy whenever I look at this photograph.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of photos using the smartphone?
Disadvantages to have photograph in smartphone is that there is no need to carry any hard copy. It is easily transferable to another person. And drawback of having photo in mobile phone is that then one can be misused by capturing this photograph from the social media or on our social applications. So there is advantages and disadvantages also to have a photograph in our mobile phone.
Do you think the photographers are artists?
Yes, definitely, because they have an art to take photographs in different ways. Sometimes they also capture the photographs that we can't imagine. So they have a special capability to take photographs in different situations.
What do you think? The art should be sold or preserved?
According to me, art should be preserved because art has no money value, but holding this art is very grateful for a particular person.
Is it important for all people to get the opportunity to make art?
Yes, to getting the opportunity to make any art is very good for everyone because one can enhance his artist and they can do different types of activities in their life.
Why do some artworks, for example painting and sculptures, are expensive?
Sometimes the art paintings and sculptures are expensive because it was human made and it takes lots of time to make, and people have spent lots of money to organize its material, and so that is why these are very expensive.
Should kids be taught art from a young age?
Yes, because in young age children are very active and eager to learn different techniques in very easy way. So children learn different things in young age.
What is the attitude to art in your country?
Well, in my country, most of the people love art because of my country's tradition. It was very common to make different kinds of paintings and different kind of paintings, so people are very attracted towards making
Thank you.
art things. Thank you, ma'am.